Hello guys, in this video we will discuss about the visual representation of the coordinate system for the general vector spaces. So for our easiness we are taking the vector space as R2 so that we can visualize the new coordinate system. Suppose we have vector space as R2 and suppose a basis B is given as 2 1 and 1 2. So with respect to this basis, we have to find the coordinates of the vector v, which is given by 8 7 in the vector space R2. So we have to find its coordinates. So first we will see that how we will find this coordinates when a basis is given to us. So we know that when we have a basis and we have a vector in the vector space R2 or in the vector space V, then that vector can be expressed as the linear combination of the elements of the basis. So we will write down V as C1 V1 plus C2 V2. Now what you do, just put the values of V, V1 and V2 in this equation. So we will get this. Now just simplify it. So on solving, we will get the value of C1 as 3 and C2 as 2. So we can say that the vector 8 7 with respect to the basis B have the coordinates as 3 and 2. Now we will draw the graph and we will see that how we will represent this new coordinates 3 2 with respect to the basis v1 and v2. So let's draw the vectors v1 and v2 in this plane R2. So we will have points. So just see where is your vector v1 and v2 in this space R2. So we will consider these vectors as our new axes for the new coordinate system. So these are our new axes. So we have the points, equidistant points for v1 as v1, 2v1, 3v1, 4v1 like this. And for the other axes v2, we will have same as v2, 2v2, 3v2, 4v2 and so on. So just let's complete these axes. So let's make the whole plane so that we will have our coordinate in this new coordinate system whose axes are v1 and v2. So just let's draw the lines parallel to the axis v2 and v1 to get the new plane. So in this way we have our new plane this having the axes v1 and v2. Now if you see the coordinates of the vector v in the new system v1 v2 is 3 2. That means on the axis v1 we will go 3 times, that means at the third point, and in the direction of v2 we will go we will move 2 times. So this 3v1 and this is your 2v2. So just see the corresponding point to these two. We will have this point 3 2. So you can say that this point 3 2 is the coordinate of the vector 8 7 in the new coordinate system whose axes are v1 and v2, which is your basis. So if you see its coordinates in the original system, it will comes out to be your vector 8 7. So corresponding to the vector 8 7, we have the coordinates of this vector in your basis relative to the basis v1 v2. It comes out to be 3 2, and if you check it out, that this vector 3 2 has the coordinates in the original system as 8 7. So in this way we can find out.